Hi everyone! Kumusta na po kayo? Hali po kayo, magluto po tayo ng turkey and mushroom pizza. Yan. Nilagyan ko po siya ng 5 large eggs. I used 5 eggs. I added 5 eggs. Extra large. Yan. Malalaki po siya na itlog. And then, beat it up really good. Then add a little bit over 1/3 cup of water. And half a cup of olive oil. Kalahati po siya na cup na olive oil at saka tubig na mahigit na 1/3. Yan. Tapos, beat it up really good. Mix it really good. And I'm gonna add 6 cups of organic all-purpose flour. Yan. Harina po siya na 6 na cup. Yan. Then, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. 3 kutsara na baking soda. Or use less if you like. Maybe 2.5. Yan. And then, mix it up really good. You can use different containers or you can sift it as well. Yan. Pwede nyo po siyang haluin na lang. Kasi sa inyo po yan. Kasi kaya lang mas mabilis po pagka ganyan. Yan. And then, add it to your liquid. Your mixture. Yan. And then, mix it up really good. Then I'm gonna add 1 large mire lemon. Yan. Pwede niyo po siya na use a strainer, but I'm gonna use my hand. Para konti lang ang hugasan yan. You can use the strainer too if you like. And then mix it. Mix it well. Ayan, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. About a 1/3 cup. And then add more the rest of the lemon. Yan, idagdag nyo po yung natitira pa na lemon. Yan. Then add more oil. Add as much oil as you like so it would be a lot softer. And use just half of the dough. Gamitin lang po yung kalahati ng dough. I left the other half in the container. Nandun po sa kabila yung kalahati lang ang ginamit kong dough kasi these are good, these are supposed to be two two pizzas in a separate baking sheets. Yan. Dalawa po ang magagawa nito na na pizza. Yan. Then start rolling. Yan. Hanggang sa maabot nyo yung edges. Yan. Looks like a shirt now. Para na siyang t-shirt. Yan. And then, I didn't show you the other one. So, it's gonna be a lot of time to put it in there. So, I only showed you one settings. Yan. And when you're done, put it in the oven at 380 degrees for about 7 to 8 minutes. Yan. And then start preparing all the ingredients. Yan. I'm gonna use mozzarella cheese. You can buy the one that's already pre-shredded para hindi na kayo mapagod. May nabibili po na na shred ng cheese. Ito po yung mushroom, white mushroom. About 2 pounds. But you can add as much as you like. And then 1 can of black olives. Slice nyo lang po siya ng maliliit. Slice it thinly. Then I'm gonna add half onion, brown onion, then thin slice. Yan, masarap ang onion sa pizza. Onions taste really good on pizza. It has like a contrasting flavor. Then I'm gonna add organic basil leaves. And then chop it. Now my dough is done. The dough is done. Then I'm gonna add the mozzarella cheese para mag-stick siya, so it would stick on the dough. Kasi I'm gonna use a tomato sauce, very runny. The tomato sauce is kind of liquidy, so it would bind together. Yan. Para siyang glue ang cheese. Yan. Add as much cheese as you like. And I'm gonna add the olives, the black olives, and the white mushrooms. stack it up really good para wag po siyang mahulog, so it won't fall off. Yeah, stack it up really good. Ayan. Then I'm gonna add turkey slices. Those are like the cold turkey slices for sandwich, for extra protein yan. Then bake. Put it in the oven and bake it for about 10 to 12 minutes. And here comes the second one. Yeah, stack it up really good. This serves about 8 to 12 big boys. Yan, malalaking. Malalaking tao yan. And then add more cheese. Finish all your cheese. I use about 2 pounds of cheese. Add more if you like, so it will be a lot cheesier. Yeah. A lot of cheese, a lot of flavor in there. Bake for about 10 to 12 minutes. Same temperature, 380. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Then add your favorite honey. Yan. Honey is really good on it. Bye. Have a great day. That's the finishing thoughts there, the honey. It tastes really good. And it tastes so much better if you wait for about 3 hours. Yan. So the honey would settle on the pizza. Bye. Thank you. Have a great day. See you soon.